Welcome to the start of a new crochet vlog. This week felt like one of those quiet full weeks, the kind where creativity shows up in different forms. I finished an outfit for a crafting event, communed with fellow creatives, returned to my tapestry crochet wall hanging, enjoyed some cozy rainy moments, taught my first class, bought yarn and treated myself to a bookish gift, and in between all that, I was reminded why I love this craft so much. So this is a reminder for us to keep on trying because all in all we are winners. Hello, welcome to the start of another vlog. If you're watching this, it's currently Friday in my time. In your time, it could be Saturday or the other week. I am preparing my feet. Tomorrow we're going for a craft or it's supposed to be Flicks and Craft, an event organized by Osana, a local brand, a haberdashery in short. So I'm so excited and we were urged to wear our crochet and knit items. Let me show you what I'm making. Or rather, I'm finalizing. I'm trying just to pump it up just a bit and then block it. I want to add some jewelry and some silver things because me, I'm more inclined to silver than gold. Then I want to make a tapestry crochet cuff and just a DIY earring to just go with the outfit. I still haven't decided what I'll wear under this. Most probably a dress because it's hot. And I can't wait. So I hope you'll be part of this vlog. We'll go to the cinema with you, but at some point we'll have to turn off our phones. Then when we come back home, you remember that tapestry crochet piece I started last week, the Lando Norris helmet? We will finish that in this vlog so that you can say that I am actually encouraging you to design your projects. We are finishing our PhDs. Projects have done. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel if you love crochet, knitting, creativity as a whole, right? And coziness. Mwah! While I'm doing this, I'm watching 007. Bump into this series on Prime and I've been so enjoying it. I love reality shows that are like Survivor, but with their own twists. This is season 2. I still can't find where I placed the rest of this. And here we have our feet. It came out way more than I expected. I was so happy and I finished my tapestry crochet cuff. I still have a few things to tweak about it. Happy Valentine's Day from mine to yours. Wishing you an awesome day. Mwah. To say I had immense fun will be an understatement. Just being among fellow creatives, bouncing ideas, talking about life, the creative life, for those who are doing business and how it's taking you was such an uplifting experience. It was frankly refreshing and it felt like a love letter to crochet and creativity. And I hope there will be much more of this because we had so much fun watching the movie, dissecting it, and just talking about how we need to grow and foster the community. Thank you so much, Osana, for this experience, and hopefully we'll get to attend more this year, as that was one of my agendas. Welcome to our dusty home after a day well spent. Part of my feet. Hey, I'm so tired. I need somebody to carry me. Whoever told me to wear heels. you should laugh at me, right? But what I want you to see is this gorgeous sunshine. Ooh. Are you ready? Can you see it? Hey, so I decided to take Monday and Sunday off to just relax before I get back to the Tapestry Crochet wall hanging. I decided to redo my January temperature blanket square. I had made a mistake right over here. So I am just redoing it, and this is the February. You can see the difference. The color is not there, it's not doing it justice. So yeah. Now then we get back to our project. Hello guys, it's a brand new day. By a brand new day I mean Tuesday. So today I've just spent this better part of the morning cleaning up my clothes and the house, and it seems like it's gonna rain today, so I'm looking forward to that. In the meantime, we're officially back to this project. Hopefully by the end of this week I will have done crocheting it. Adding a label and a doll is a whole other story, but probably we'll do it. So let's get back to work. But first, we need to eat, right? We're having leftover okra and meat. We just need to make the ugali, then we eat. Even Dixie agrees. Then we'll meet because I've got a package I'd love to share with you, right? Right. And just like that, Mother Nature proving that they are always in control, heavy downpour was our gift for the day. We actually really needed it because it was so dusty. So this is my current read, right? Actually I'm rereading it. I need something to chase off my book slump. Then this is the gift we got from the Usana Flex and Craft. So yeah, it's part of me. And here we have the package. So let's open it. Are you excited like I am? Perhaps I could need some assistance. What kind of assistance? I fear this child never will. I'm here to help you save the others. Plans change. It is a collection that doesn't grow. Ooh, so let's see. It's a self-inking stamp. There we have it. So, should we stamp the first book? Where do we do it? Okay. Would you be giving prospective parents wow. It is raining so heavily. I'm both excited, but I was supposed to go look for food. So I'll just have to cook with what I have at home. But wow. No, we needed this. Now this is me getting distracted. Let's go make a crochet necklace, right? Progress report on my necklace. Also, Gusful has the first Tapestry Crochet paid lesson tomorrow. Me! I'm so excited about don't even put in a chat. So pray for me I ace this one. I know I'm excited as she is excited, so I can't wait. I can't wait to see him. Yeah. I have a propensity of being late when I plan things beforehand, so I'm trying to get out early. So me going for my first lesson. Tell me it rained without telling me it rained. Look how muddy it is. Wow. You know those moments when anxiety, doubts, and fear start whispering nonsense to your ears? This was that moment for me. So I just decided to take my yarn and crochet hook, test drive my mind, my hands, and I felt so calm before the lesson. Did I tell you all about my hexagon year-long project? Every day I make 3 hexagons, then after like 3 months, collect them and make a blanket. At the end of the year, the hexagon would have allowed me to make like 3 blankets. So this is what I'm doing. It's the awesome fact that my student was as excited and happy as I was, and to tell you the truth, it was a success. Way after a long day, I am back home. I had to pass to town, so I would have reached home so much earlier. But I was looking for this yarn. I started a project 10 years ago. So when I went to buy yarn, they couldn't find this one. They were actually telling me it's out of stock. So when I was leaving the shop, I had found an alternative, but I wasn't sure the shade would have been the same. So I was like, I will do like a design because I want to finish my blanket, right? So I would have done an edging all around the blanket. That would have fixed it. But I saw this on the display. I was like, please, this is what I was looking for. So please remind me when I start large projects to buy all the materials that I go. Because I also realized that the shade of this yarn really changed with every packet. So I know better now. I know better. But now we're gonna finally finish this blank. I'm so excited. So as you had seen me earlier making hexagons, so a day I make 3 hexagons so that at a certain time I will have enough hexagons to do 3 blankets. So I added these individual ones to do. So per skin I get 13 hexagons. So this is project to go finish. I've done today's. I made like all of this green one I made today, about 10 plus this one. That is how long the journey was. So I got myself some mangoes. Oh, because it's that time of the year. Anyway, let me just unwind. I still have clothes on the line I need to go remove. At least it hasn't rained today yet. I also got black yarn because I need to do a tapestry crochet bag. So in a gist, that was my day. In my humble opinion, today was successful. Taught someone, we improved their skills. They're happy, I'm happy. We got yarn, I'm happy. We got food, I'm happy. I have roof over my head, I'm happy. My doggy was there waiting for me, I'm happy. I'd missed him. So now to unwind until tomorrow. I will sleep early today. We'll do some reading. Deserve some reading time. So yeah, and a bit of drawing. I need to frame. I bought this at a thrift store and I feel like I need to draw something pond mushy like. Then we sleep, right? It's been a successful day. I hope you had a successful day like I did too. Tell me you love tea without telling me you love tea. The irony. Over the Valentine weekend, a crafty friend gifted me these bags of herbal infusion tea, and I love tea. I love trying new brands and variety. And given that I was feeling a bit tired and so, I decided to make myself a cup. For this herbal infusion is highly recommended for people who have sore muscles and menstrual cramps. It's full of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant phytochemicals. Hey, for some reason, this project is taking way longer than I would like. I know it's the biggest I've ever made. The camera is not showing it in the right proportions. And I feel like I'm not exactly burnt out from Tapestry Crochet, but I feel like this will not be finished in this vlog, which is okay. I might have to go do it behind the camera. But this is just to let you know that we are working hard to finish this, right? What are you working on? Please tell me on the comment section below. Say hi to my project, my bus. Did I tell you about how my niece thought I was making a bus because of this visa? Have I said it or am I repeating myself? At this point, I think it's fatigue from yesterday. So I'm just trying to take it slowly. Good morning. It's porridge time. That is my weekend project. Finally, I get to finish them. But finally, we didn't do much yesterday. But we did do much yesterday. Progress report. It looks like a helmet, right? So now that we have knitted the tangles, we can now continue on watching some homesteading things. So we have 30 rows more. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're about here. Then 10 more rows that I need to chart. Then we will be done with this helmet of ours, right? Lunchtime break. This is the back side. I'm still debating whether I will weave in the ends or just leave them like this and add a material. But we're almost done. We're almost done. Yay!
She told me that when she saw you pick up the night of the shooting after it fell out of Mom's hand, she'd assumed you turned it in.
The First Lady is lying to you.
Excuse me? for months, every time he received a payment from an unknown source. The only thing I don't know yet is why. But that phone is in evidence now, unlocked, in Patterson's possession. So whatever you're doing, I sure hope it's worth it.
It must be nice having someone to talk to.
I think we're almost done, right? Just remaining about 6 rows. Then we'll do an edging of white. Then we'll block it. Then we'll add the dowel. Oh my god, I did this! Thank you so much if you've reached this far into my blog. If you subscribe, thank you for the support and the love. If you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button. No, we don't finish projects in one vlog. If you see me with an unfinished project like this one, know that it will be finished in the next vlog or behind the cameras. So don't say I'm a creator who supports your starting new projects and not finishing them. It's just that this week has been intense, and I hope you've enjoyed this vlog this far. Yeah, and I hope you consider taking part in much of my creative adventures by sticking around, sharing this video, liking this video, sharing this channel to kindred spirit, and I highly appreciate what you do. I send blessings back to you. And for those who are F1 fans, you know Lando Norris. This is his helmet, and he won the last season. So this is a reminder for us to keep on trying, because all in all, we are winners, and may more winning keep on following us. So until our next vlog, I hope you get to capture your dreams in a stitch. Again, thank you so much for being with me. Blessings upon you. I hope they will love it. I hope they will love it. I hope they will love it.